RV refrigerators are essential for comfortable travel. There are four main types: absorption, compressor, thermoelectric, and residential. Absorption fridges run on propane or electricity, using a heat, ammonia, and hydrogen cycle. Compressor models, similar to home fridges, use electricity for rapid cooling. Thermoelectric units operate on the Peltier effect, suitable for smaller RV. Residential fridges offer precise control but require AC power and are sensitive to vibrations. Consider size, power sources, and climate when choosing. Proper maintenance, like cleaning and leveling, ensures longevity. Understanding these options enhances the RV experience.